it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. Today we're going to do Trudy Scoggin. We're at number 160. So I have my timer set. As you can see, we're going to open this up and see what she sent. She also included 2 ATCs, chipboard bases. Cool. Thanks, Trudy. Fun stuff. Okay, so we've got some borders. We've got this cute little doily. Some fun papers. Here are the 2 little ATC bases, so I will save those. So she is hoping that I will make ATCs, I'm assuming. Okay, well then I'll take the challenge of making 2 ATCs in 10 minutes, and that's what we'll work with today. All right, let's go ahead and hit that timer. We've got 10 minutes to go. Love this. Love the little borders, and this is such cute paper. Oh my gosh, look at that one. So I think what I'll do first is put down some paper on here. I have not done a very good job of wetting down my glue in there. So usually I use a lean tacky glue, and then I add a little bit of water so it's a little more runny because that's a thick glue. But I just refilled this and I didn't add enough water, so it's going to be kind of a challenge for me to get that glue out of there. But we can work with that. That is a cute base. We'll start with that. Let's see what else we have there, because we have a couple of sentiments here too. Fantastic. Purple, that is so cute. We have a hello there. Okay, what else do I want to put down on the bottom? Got some purple and green. That would be super cute. Let's go ahead and make the bottom of this one this color. And look, she recycled a calendar. That's awesome. Super fun. I'm going to try to use all my other glues, because this is just going to take me too long to get that glue out of there. Let's try this one. This one I haven't used in a while. Cannot attest to, oh, it's super watery. But I cannot attest to like what glue is in here because I don't know. It's been a long time since I've used it. Let's see how well this works. It's not going to be quite as flat, but we can work with that. We can totally work with that. Okay. I need to thicken that glue up some. All right. This is going to match both of them, so I'll be able to use this on both, as well as this one and the green one, because that is going to match both. So I won't have enough to go do both, but I'm going to do this one down this way, and I'll use the extra on the other one. And you know what? I'm going to use my sticky dots. And I'm going to cut this down so I don't have such a big sheet on here. You guys can get this from the store. I do believe we have more. If not, we can reorder. This is just a reusable sticky adhesive that you can reuse over and over again, so you don't want to throw that out because it's going to just keep being sticky. And then I'm going to do this piece over here. I got a big old something on the top here I need to get off. Big old glob. Okay. Not going to put this one on yet. I really want to do this one on here because there is some purple there. I'm going to go ahead and make it so that I'm going to have a white torn side. There we go. Yeah, that's cool. Fun. That is really cute. We're about halfway there. Let's see what other color I want to put on there. We've got these, which I don't know if these are sticky or not, but they seem to be strips of fabric. I don't think they are, so we'll go ahead and use glue for those. I'm going to put this piece of fabric right over the top of that green. Cute. We'll just keep building up layers to make more interest. This is really fun. That could look cute on there. Oh, I think I got a piece of my hair caught in there. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Okay. I love this. Let's get some of this on there. Oh, it looks like I got some of that stuff from that thing caught on here, so I'm just going to pull that up. No big deal. I got so much of that stuff. Let's go on the other side with this. This one is a little bit more fragile, delicate, so I'm going to see if we get that off of there without any detriment. We certainly can. It worked out just fine. So that's very cool. Alright, cut that piece off. How cute is that? That is really cute. I don't think this one goes super well, although it's got the same colors. So I'm going to hold off on that one. So I just have a couple minutes left. I'm going to round it up here by getting my sentiments on. So instead of taking time to measure these out, I'm just going to eyeball cut these because wouldn't that one look really cute just right there? Yes, so cute. Okay, let's try the glue for that one. Normally I would bump these up and stuff, but to stay true to an ATC so it fits wherever she's going to put it, I'm going to try to keep these as flat as I can. And I've got a couple more minutes to possibly get this one on here. That's going to look really cute. Cut that one off to fit. So we'll go ahead and put that one down too. I think I'm going to make mine rounded corners because the bases aren't too heavy, so I should be able to cut through those with no problem. So I'm going to make my ATCs with rounded corners. And then normally I would add some more gems and things. I don't think I have any gems here to add. So we'll just cut this off and make this even. Got about 30 seconds. Let's see if there's anything else we want to add to this. This is super cute. I just don't think that it goes that well. So I might actually be finished. So on the back I would add, I don't think I have any handy. I've got some cards that I've made, but I don't have any close by. So normally what I would add is a backing that said, you know, one of one, that kind of thing. And I've run out of time, so I used what I had. Again, there's other ideas and other things that you can add. These turned out super cute. I'm just going to move over some of the stuff that I know that I could probably reuse. Put those in a pile, and I save those. So if you have nothing to do, or you just don't like to go out and party, you want to do something crafty for New Year's Eve, I save all the scraps here that are reusable, and I put them in my owl box for crop in the new year. It'll be from 8 p.m. to midnight Central Standard Time. So save the date. I know we're definitely a couple months ahead of time, but hey, it's never too early to save that time, right? And then you know you have something fun to do. You can wear your pajamas, you can bring drinks, do all that kind of thing. And if you enjoy these videos where I do a card, or in this case 2 ATCs in just 10 minutes, I encourage you to go back to my playlist and check them out. I also have a whole bunch in a playlist of just 5-minute ones. So I did the 5-minute one and then I changed it to 10 and involved people sending in their scraps. So if this is something that sounds fun to you and you want to see your card or cards made, I will put these together into an envelope and send them back to Trudy, so she will get these. They will be hers to keep. I'll probably put my information of some kind on the back so that she knows they're from me. And that's about it. So if you want to get in on this, if this seems like something fun to you, I highly encourage you to go in the description box below. Check out Quality Crafts on Facebook and qualitycrafts.com, where you can buy all of your supplies and things, and check out the crafty sales. We do those every other Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we would love to have you join us there. Join us for bargains and brand new things. It's really fun. So until then, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.